What up guys, it's your boy Dads and Zach here, and we got day number 10 happening right about now. So to start this off, I started in class, videotaping while the teacher was talking. Don't do that, but I did. So I made my keto drink that I've been making lately. I'll put the recipe down below. Pretty much all we're taking is some turmeric, black pepper, coconut oil, vegan butter, some coffee, and we're blending it up, and it's honestly a great anti-inflammatory morning drink to have once you're waking up in the morning, especially if it's not a fasting day for you guys, or if you're on a ketogenic diet. It's very good, especially with the MTC oil that's in the coconut, MTC fatty acids that are in the coconut oil. Then we finished that class. That was roughly 2-hour class. Then the next class, I had a little bit of walnuts with me with some chocolate mousse protein. I got roughly a serving and a half in there with some cacao powder and some vegetable milk. Then I had an apple and obviously my liter bottle that I always carry along with me. But that's about it for the class. I'm gonna hit you guys up with Zach, and he's gonna tell you what we're gonna make right now. What up guys, so we're home right now. We're gonna make a little meal for now, a little pre-workout before I go to the gym, and then I'm also gonna make one for my post-workout shake that I'm gonna have right after I finish training, because today I got 2 sessions. So just so you guys get an idea of what I like to do, especially since I'm following more of a ketogenic diet, vegan ketogenic diet. So we got 1 medium avocado in there with maybe like half a cup or a little less of beans. I sprinkled some salt on top of that. The reason for the salt, guys, is just because I have my 2 sessions, they're roughly around 2 hours long. I'm gonna be sweating and losing a lot of sodium, and since I don't consume a lot of sodium anyways, I need to add it just so my electrolyte balance is really good and I don't feel drowsy, headache. These are all like symptoms that you could be feeling when you have a low electrolyte balance. Now for the post-workout shake, I'm going to have move protein, chocolate flavor, put it in there with half of this water bottle and half of this pea milk. Now what people don't know, or they think they know, is that when they have a protein shake, they think they could just mix the protein and the water and they're good to go. Maybe they'll add a little bit of creatine, which is what I'm going to do as well, but they think that that's it. You're actually limiting the absorption rate that you're getting. So when you're trying to consume protein, you kind of want to have a little bit of carbs as well. Even though you're going to be insulin sensitive, you still want a little bit of carbs just to help that absorption rate increase. You get the bang for your buck. And since it's a pea type protein blend, we're talking about mass efficiency, and really good for your microbiome and your gut biome and just overall protein absorption. Since they also did a study, guys, that they showed that there was no difference between whey protein and pea protein. They actually worked exactly the same. So plant-based all day, every day. Then we're gonna add another one from other sponsors, is some ATP energy, some alpha complex, and some neuro shrooms. These are pretty much the blend that I like to add in to my shakes or my morning coffee or in between sessions or anything like that. It's a lot of natural supplements that really help. There's a variety of benefits and how they actually help your body, immune system, anti-inflammatory, brain function, ATP restoration. If you guys want to check, there's a link down below with a discount code. You go check out the website. They have scientific research for each ingredient in their products and backed up by so much research, so you guys can go check out the website. It's Primal Herb, it's down below. And right now with this meal, actually I'm gonna have another little thing, which is some raw maca cacao chocolate, pretty much, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of sunflower butter on top, which you guys have seen in the past. Organic, pretty much no sugar in this one, no sodium as well, since the other ones do have added sodium. So that's what we want. See you guys when I'm done for my meal when I get back home, because you guys just saw all of that. So training time. All right, thank you, Zach. We took some brown rice, I cooked it up. That's what's happening right now. And then I put the pan on, I turned it on, I put some broccoli, onion, and zucchini into the oven to bake. Took a little bit of some spinach with some cucumber, and then I have my massive hefty bowl of oatmeal, which you guys see me eat all the time. We got a scoop of we got a scoop and a half of move protein. We got a cup of oatmeal. We got some cinnamon. We got 1 cup of mixed frozen berries. We got maca powder. We got flax seeds. And I also put some goji berries, but they're kind of at the bottom, so you're not going to see them right here. And then sunflower butter on top, as per usual. after I ate that hefty bowl of oatmeal, I went back to the veggies because they were cooking. So this is what you see right now. I got my veggie bowl mix. I put some of the veggies in the salad and then I made a little bowl. And then I was waiting for the brown rice to finish. So as the brown rice was finishing, I was cooking some tofu, got roughly 200 grams right here. I put a little bit of some teriyaki sauce on top, barbecue teriyaki. And then on the bottom was coconut oil. And then as you guys can see here, we're finished. Made the bowl, put a little bit of brown rice. In total, I know it looks like a lot in the video, but it's only a cup and a half of cooked brown rice. So it's not that many calories, guys, because 1/4 cup of brown rice not cooked yields you a cup of brown rice that's cooked. So we're looking at maybe like 225, 250 calories of brown rice. So very low calorie meal right here. But that was it to end that day. It was a very, I say low day for me, but you guys always write that I eat so much. But that was a low day for me. It was great. It was really simple. Again, like I'm saying, these days, they're not always recipe based. They're pretty much like easy in and out recipes you can pretty much just make and go. So some days you're gonna have days where I'm gonna cook a whole bunch of food. Some days you're gonna have days where I'm like in a rush all the time and I just gotta stir something up together, get the nutrients in, feed myself, feel good, and then get out. So that was today. That was day 10. We got day 11 tomorrow. I got a really, really good one coming out for you guys tomorrow. You're gonna really love it. And yeah, or should I say it's the past. So day 11 is a really good day because we got some stuff that you should click and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when it comes out. But it's day 11, so go check that one out. All right, but it's your boy, that's it, Zach. Beat, punch, headbutt, elbow, knee.